Good morning my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Leslie Ann here. If you're new to my channel then welcome. I'd really appreciate it if you could give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you on board with me. Press the notification bell as well and then you'll be notified of all my new uploads. So let's get on with this video, shall we?
1, 2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high ever.
So I have received today this. So this video is going to be another unboxing, and this is for the Feel Unique Samples box. It's not actually a monthly subscription box. What it is, you do subscribe to Feel Unique, so just pop in your email address and just sort of subscribe to them, and then what you can do every month is order up to 5 sample sizes free. You don't pay for them at all you pay for is your P&P, which is £3.95. If you then go ahead and purchase a full size item from Feel Unique, they will credit you back with your £3.95, so that £3.95 if you like comes off the price of the full size product. You don't have to order 5 items if you don't want to, but I just think, you know, why wouldn't you? You're going to get 5 items for nothing. I don't see the point in just getting 1 or 2. So every month they change some of the products. Some stay on there for a long time. Some of the products are really popular. Some of the new products go really quickly. So you go onto the Feel Unique website and then just go to the left down onto the little drop bar where you go down to samples, pick and mix samples, I think it says off the top of my head. Click on that and then that takes you through to the samples. Then you can, if you want to, you can go into the filter and you can choose whether you want to look at the new products, the most popular products, or by brand. You can also choose if you want to have a sachet, if there are any samples in tubes or pots. I tend to get this more or less every month. I tend to put a lot of this away into a little box ready for when I'm going away on holiday, because they're just ideal holiday sizes to take away. Also, if you haven't tried a brand before and you've been intrigued by a particular product feels like, what it smells like, before you go and purchase the full size item, then it's a great way of trying products. So depending on what the products are coming in as sachets or little tubes or little pots, you sometimes receive your items in a padded envelope, sometimes they come in a box like this. So I'm just going to open it here. Oh, the other thing I should say as well is the day that you sign up for Feel Unique samples. So for example, say if it was the 1st of August, you then couldn't choose your next 5 samples until the 1st of September or after the 1st of September. So you can't choose your products until your month is up, if that makes sense. Okay, so just open this and then there's another box in here. Well, it's just part of this box actually, but it's just very well packaged. So I'll open it. There we go. Right. So my products are in here, making sure they don't all slip out. So the first thing you get is you get your little receipt that confirms the samples that you've chosen and the price that you've paid for your P&P, and that's it. There we go, just there. Okay, so that's what I paid. So I'm going to pop my glasses on. I just get another little leaflet in there about the Feel Unique Pick and Mix 5. This is the first thing that I've gone for. That's what it looks like. I'd probably give this to my daughter Hannah to try, because she's got curly hair, and it's by Curlsmith. It's a scalp stimulating booster. It does say it's for straight, wavy, curly or coily hair, but I will give it to Hannah to try on her hair. It says here it's the new Holy Grail, best ever curl care, and it works. It's 5-star rated on ulta.com. And in here there's 10 mils in here, and this is what it's showing, the picture on the back of what it does for the hair. But you see what I mean? If you're going on holiday, you can just sort of slip that into your little toilet bag. So yeah, I'm going to give that one to my daughter to try that one. Right, this is 1.5 mils, and it's Charlotte Tilbury Overnight Bronze and Glow Mask. That's what it looks like. So this is a little sachet. Apply a thin layer onto freshly cleansed skin, gently blending into the hairline, neck and décolleté. Build your dream glow over 1 to 3 nights to the intensity of your desired tan. Wash hands after use. So it's for the face, and it's clearly like a little fake tan, but it's a mask at the same time. So I've been intrigued about this, and obviously rather than pay full price and then to discover do I or don't I like it, I thought this is the best way to go. So I'll be giving that one a little go. And then I went for this one, and this is by Philip Kingsley, and it's the Flaky Itchy Scalp Shampoo. And there's 20 mils in this one. Okay. So that again is a great little size to take away on holiday with you. And Philip Kingsley, wow, his range is really good. I've used it several times before. Unfortunately, although he's no longer with us, he was a trichologist, so knows everything there is to know about your hair, the scalp. So his products are fantastic. Yeah, so that's that one. I also went for this one. This is by Benefit, and it's Skincare Solutions So Radiant You'll need a dimmer switch. And this is an actual eye cream, and it has a little sample just here to try. A brightening eye cream to fade dark circles, so I'm very, very looking forward to trying this. And as I say, that's the little sample size there. And then last but not least, I have gone for a sample of, and there's 4 mils in this, and it's the Michael Kors Sexy Ruby Eau de Parfum. So this is what the little, how cute is that little box? I haven't even tried this one before. The fact that it's not an eau de toilette, it's an eau de parfum, I just thought, brilliant. But these are the things that go quite quickly. So how cute is that? How sweet. That bottle. So I'm going to give this a little try. So I've never even smelt it before. Oh, that's nice. It's quite subtle actually. It's not, you know, overpowering or anything. In fact, I think it's a perfume that I easily could wear during the day. That is really, really nice. Really nice. And then just pop that little lid back on, and yeah, and you've got a little 4 ml perfume there. That's really cute. And pop it back in the little box. You could actually even include this in, if you were making up a little gift hamper for somebody, you could always pop that in, couldn't you, as like the little extra, you know, if they like perfumes. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video then, my lovelies. If you have, as I say, please give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, press that notification bell, and I will see you next month for the next Feel Unique unboxing. Bye!